When it comes to home improvement, there are many parts of the house to consider working on. However, one of the biggest problem areas of the home is often the most overlooked: the condition of your front door. The longer you've had your front door, the more likely it is that it's causing problems you may not even be thinking about. Here are 3 signs that it's time to replace your front door. Number 1. It's difficult to open or close your door. Is it a common struggle to lodge your door open or closed? Because of its ongoing exposure to moisture and humidity, it's very likely that your doors become swollen. This is common with wood doors of all shapes and sizes. Not only is it inconvenient, but the door's instability can lead to safety and security hazards. Number 2. Air is leaking through your front door. Have you noticed a draft coming through your door? This can lead to all kinds of inconveniences, such as the need to place towels at the bottom of the door in the wintertime, or having to constantly adjust the thermostat in your home to compensate for the air that's leaking inside. Number 3. Your door is showing signs of wear and tear. Front doors are used constantly throughout their lifetime. After years of being bumped, slammed, and kicked, it's no doubt that your door has seen better days. Wood doors will chip, crack, and warp over time. On top of that, the door's color will fade from exposure to sunlight. If your door is doing any of these things, it's probably time to get it replaced. The most effective way to replace your old door is to purchase a premium quality iron door. Iron doors from Tuscan Iron Entries are significantly stronger than standard wood doors. They're also insulated and unable to be warped by various weather elements. These incredible features lead to iron doors having much longer lifespans than traditional doors. To learn more about the benefits of iron doors, visit us at TuscanEntries.com.